Hey, good morning. I think still, yeah, 10 a.m. Today I want to talk about CRISPR. CRISPR is a science of genetically altering things, anything really, any life form, anything with genetics. And basically, noisy. CRISPR is the science of moving genetics or changing genetics into the way that scientists or anybody really wants them to be. It is an awesome technology. It uses cells of certain things, really. Kind of a machine type of thing that unzips and rezips the genes really quickly. Out of its own, out of different molecules into whatever it's programmed to create. So it's kind of cool. You know, it does all the calculations and everything. It's really awesome. It's nothing like a computer. It goes way faster than really any computer could. Because it's cellular, so those things interact with life a lot faster than our modern day computers do. That's really cool, but at the same time it's kind of scary because anybody really can learn how to use CRISPR and just do whatever they freaking want with it. Make dinosaurs and things. Sort of. You can't make dinosaurs right now, but they are thinking about resurrecting the woolly mammoth. They found a really intact DNA of the woolly mammoth, and they need the X genes and the Y genes and things to be able to birth it really and to form the life form. They are doing that as we speak. They are thinking about it and stuff. So with that, they really don't have to use CRISPR, but they might if there are some missing genes. Just like in Jurassic Park, you saw that. If you saw Jurassic Park, the original one, in the 90s, I think it was the 90s, yeah. They showed this little video clip of this, Mr. DNA showing up on this video, and for the classroom of the people who were going to visit Jurassic Park before it opened, and including Jeff Goldblum and a few other people. Anyways, in that they replaced some of the DNA of the dinosaur with that of a frog. The only issue they ran into is that some frogs changed their gender to propitiate, what's it called? Yeah, increase the species, or make the species more, just viable. Really, just have sex, really. So yeah, so that they can, be a, increase the ability for the species to survive. It's kind of a survival instincts of frogs, and that is a true statement. There are some frogs that do change their gender if they are in a large population of the same sex, or have a hard time with that. Now, I don't know if it happens over time, as in the next generation and the next generation of frogs and stuff, or if it happens immediately within, or a couple days or weeks or something, years within the frog's lifetime, the individual frog. So another kind of a creepy, I know for some people, type of gene alterations that nature has gone through that we have seen over the last 100 years is cockroaches. Cockroaches right now, or back in before the 1990, I believe, cockroaches loved sugar, and they would go after sugar. and anything with sugar, you know, carbohydrates, bread, all that stuff, potatoes and everything. But right now, since then, they do not. They go after protein now. And so the traps are now made out of protein things made out of protein. So that is a big change that happened within the last 15, 20 years, you know. So, yeah, that is, I mean, yeah, 27 years or more. So that is a big change, and we actually, you know, yeah, saw that happening. So that was pretty cool. So that's how nature changes its course to adapt for, you know, its surroundings and the things. And so homes, you know, hold a lot of food, usually. And so that is a major food source for those creatures. And so anyways, if I'm grossing some people out, I'm sorry. But, you know, just think of them as little tiny cats that love to meow and and run around and eat food. So yeah, these cats changed their genetic code, and because they weren't getting enough food. Anyways, they were dying off. So because of the traps we set for them. Now, setting traps for cats is kind of cruel. So I don't know. Maybe we could set traps for a gecko or something. I don't know. So yeah. But anyways, they are cockroaches. Yeah. So. And, yeah, get used to it. There are actual bugs in the world. And insects and all that. So, anyways, that's one part of genetic alteration, or two species that change their genetics within a certain time frame to adapt to their surroundings. So it's kind of cool. I'm heading to Walmart and grabbing a few things. I think I got a text from my wife about what I need to buy. So yeah, cool. And I'm out.